Hi, my name is Andy Kolar and welcome to the PAS classroom. Today we're talking about playing zones. The shortest sound on any drum is going to be from the direct middle of the drum. As I move closer to the edge, I'm going to get more resonance. I'm going to get more pitch from the drum head. If I'm on timpani, the direct middle of the head is going to produce a thuddy short sound, which we do not want. As I move closer to the edge, I get more pitch and I get more resonance, which again for timpani is what we want. If I'm on concert snare drum, a good starting point is to play just off center. The direct middle will give me a short, articulate sound, even with the snares. If I'm on the very edge, I will get a lot of resonance and I can hear more pitch, but I lose a little bit more of the oomph of the sound. So if I play just off center, it's a good combination of articulation and resonance. If I'm on concert bass drum, like concert snare, a good starting point is to find direct center, move just off center for a good general purpose playing zone. If I am rolling on concert bass, now I want more resonance instead of articulation. If I were to roll in the direct middle, I'm going to hear the mallets much more easily, which is what we do not want for a roll. So if I move my mallets closer to the edges, that's going to give me more resonance and a smoother sound. I'm also letting the mallet move a little bit more in my hand. As a percussionist, this is one of the easiest ways I can manipulate and change my articulation and my tone. So it's a great place to start. That's today's lesson from the PAS classroom.